This is an elevator at Sarasota Memorial Urgent Care Center on St. Armands Circle in Sarasota, Florida. It's an Otis. Let's go to 3. 3, I believe, is staff only, so we can only go to 2 actually. This is pretty basic, so we're just going to take one ride. Here's your cab view. 3,000 pound capacity. So this is elevator number 1, although I'm not sure if there's any other elevators. Odds are, if there are any other elevators in this building, they serve floors 2 and 3 and don't come down the 1. Here's what the building looks like from the outside, and that'll be it.